Everyone, thank you so much for clicking this video. My name is Labib Rajput, Director and Trainer of River English Institute. Dear students, welcome once again to all with another session of English language. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to learn English from listening. And listening is a very important. If you want to learn any language, then you must follow one step, that is first is listening. So you have to always, at least you have to listen almost 30 minutes every day. It may be any cartoon you can listen. There are various kind of cartoons are available on YouTube. Go and watch it. You can let me give you example. Suppose there is a channel whose name is Maha Cartoon TV. If you search these channels, you will get different kind of very simple cartoons on these channels, and they upload for the beginner students who is learning and improving their speaking skills. So you can listen and you can search this channel and watch different kind of videos, and in this way your speaking skills and your listening skill will improve. But why am I here today? I want to tell you something. I'm going to share with you a very beautiful and interesting story. And what you have to do, you have to listen more and more. And in the end of this video, I will ask some question related to this story, and you have to answer in the comment section. So if you are a new person over here on my channel, please subscribe my channels and press the bell icon, because when you subscribe my channels, I will get so much motivation from you, and again I will make video, and you will be getting some new information from my video and some knowledge as well. So without any delay, let's continue. And the story that I'm going to tell you is all about the Bhasmasur. And make sure you have heard about this story earlier and before, but you have heard about this story in Hindi. But the most interesting thing that I want to tell you, I'm going to share this story in this video in English language completely, so that you could also get to know how to share any story with your mind after imagination. So without any delay, let's continue. Once upon a time, there was a demon who practiced hard, studied hard, but he was not satisfied whatever he had. So for that, he went to the forest and prayed so hard, and the power of the god was moved. And one day suddenly the god appeared before him and said, tell me, dear, I'm pleased with you, tell me what you want. Then the demon opened his eyes and saw the god was standing before him. He fell at the feet of God and said, nothing God, not too much, my lord. I just want to be the famous in the world. I just want to be the youngest person of the world. And the god began to think deeply, how can I do that? How can I give such kind of bond to a simple person? If I will give such kind of bond and he will be control, he can be control everybody under his life. So he denied, and he said, you can ask for another wish, I cannot fulfill your wishes. So then the demon replied, if you don't want to give such kind of bone, you can give me another my wish. And my another wish is, whenever I take palace on someone hands, that person should be reduced at once at the same time. Then the god began to think deeply again and again, and then he as he had given his word to the demon, so it is his responsibility to fulfill his wishes. So he he gave bone, and after getting such kind of weapons, the Bhasmasur became mad in his power. So he started taking his power. He started touching some animals and reducing into the age. And one day what happens, he became so much arrogant, and he said, let me see who can defeat me. So for that, he went towards the world by shouting, "Let me see who can defeat me." Then the people of the village became frightened, and they were worried about him. So if he will do continuously like this, then nobody will left in the world. So for that, his all the peoples of the village and of the world shut their door and went inside and locked the door. And when but there was one thing in the demons that he used to love very much. He loved dancing. And one day when he was moving towards town, then he heard the tinkles, and there was a lady who was dancing on the in the garden. So he went, but the lady was could not get frightened, and she said, "Can you dance like me?" Then the demon said, "Yes, of course I can dance like you." Then that lady said, uh, "Give me promise, you have to do same that I do, otherwise you cannot dance like me. You have to copy, and you have to imitate my every steps, just like I'm going to dance. You have to do the same." Then the demon accepted her challenges and said, "Okay, I'm ready for dancing." Then both started dancing, and sometimes that lady touches his face and hands, and she did all type of activity. And in and also the demon said, and he also did. So in the end of the video, in the end of the dancing, that lady touches his for his head. So you can imagine what happened in the next. In a second, that demons reduced into the ashes, and the people of the village became very happy. They went and they came outside to see what happened to the demon. Then he found there was nothing, no demon was left, and he reduced into the ashes. And so all the villagers wanted to thank that lady, but they could not find her anywhere. So this story teaches us, mm, we should never be greedy. Always be satisfied whatever you have. Otherwise, you will kill yourself. So, in the end of this video, I want to ask you the question: can you imagine who defeated and who killed the demon according to you? Second question: what is the moral of this story? If you have something idea in your mind, please share in a comment section. And thanks for watching, and make sure this video will be helpful for you, and you must got your point. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.